What's up, guys? It's Migs with Market Open. I wanted to record this to show you guys what it looks like basically a fight on the level 2. This right here being the level 2. I'm thinking about shorting SVU under the $17 mark. As you can see, there's 47,000 shares that are wanting to be bought at 1702. But there is let's see here. So over 10,000 shares that want to be bought at that want to be sold at 1703, and over 47,000 shares that want to be bought at 1702. So if it goes under the 17, it's most likely going to go. I'm going to short 500 shares of it with my stop right here being at 1720. As you can see, it gapped down. Let me zoom out here real quick. It gapped down on earnings. It came down. I actually shorted it twice already, but this is one of my go-to plays right here. It comes down. It comes back up to VWAP. It taps it, and then it breaks down below the 9, below VWAP, and it should start heading back down. But as you can see, we got all these sellers lined up here at 1703. And then we have just this massive buyer right here at 1702. So let's just see how this works out. All right, so far right now on SVU, that really big buyer at the 1702 mark has not let up. Basically, he hasn't moved. He's just sitting there. So when things like that happen, it psychologically it gives other people hope that the stock is not going to basically fall under that, because if we do some quick math real quick, that's at 1702. I think the guy still had like 47,300 shares he wanted to buy. That's $771,000 that's basically just sitting right there at $17. That gives a lot of psychological confidence to people that want to go long on this stock, because for them, the people that are selling need to be able to sell the amount that they currently have into that guy. And if they can't, obviously the stock is going to need to go higher, and sometimes the stock will literally just keep going higher because they don't have enough shares to sell into that guy. So as you can see here, it's back up at 1714, and we're back up to VWAP. I'm not really quite sure what's going to happen, but I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like on level 2 whenever there is a big buyer. So this is the bid, this is the ask. This is what people are trying to sell for. This is the price that they're trying to sell for. This is the price that people are trying to buy for. So this guy over here was trying to sell at 1702, and he just didn't budge. So, and the stock just went higher, because as soon as people see that, they're going to notice that the stock is going to go higher. Perhaps now it'll come back down lower, and maybe people will sell more shares into it, and eventually it'll just eat away at that price of 1702, and it'll crash down below 17, and hopefully I'll be able to short it. But I'm not really going to stick around here all day and try to find out. So I'm going to watch it bounce one more time, and if that guy doesn't go anywhere, I'm just going to expect that the stock to come back up for now. So 24,000. See how that buyer is getting smaller and smaller and smaller? Getting ready to short. 21, come on, go away. 17, that's shares being bought up at 1703. That's what all that green means. Come on. 21.9. Yep, short. 1,000 shares. Yep, exactly what I didn't want. Yep, we're going to have to get rid of. Nope, 1704. Come on. 1702. Should fall under 17. Come on. Come on, 17. I might reduce half size. It's not breaking like I wanted it to. I'm going to reduce to half size. I got 500 shares left just in case it goes against me. See, that whole number should have broke. Come on. Come on, you can do it. Bunch of sellers right there at 1701. There's 1701. All the sellers right here push down from 1701 to or 1702 to 1701. So it keeps going lower and lower. As you can see, there's only red, mostly red printing right now. So that means that all the sellers are selling into the 17. They're taking them away. But more sellers keep popping up. So just sitting here, everything's fine. There's more sellers right now than there are buyers. And the candles are still saying that, you know, they're getting pushed down. All right, hold on a second. I might add here in a second. Come on, take them away. I want to try and short the last couple of shares of 17. Shit, there it goes. Okay, 1695. Finally went under. Jesus. This thing was a pain. Alright. 1696. Flushed down under 17. Finally. 17. What I did is I put a stop limit order to trigger at 1699 to 1695. So it got me in. And it triggered. Now it's just kind of sitting there, 1698. So hopefully it flushes down now under 17. I'm probably going to take a partial somewhere around here, 1680-ish, since I was risking up here at the 1718 mark or so. It really all kind of depends on the price action. Hopefully it should flush down now that I got rid of that big buyer. The 9's curling down. It's under VWAP. It keeps getting rejected. It gapped down. Literally everything looks almost perfect on it. So that's why I doubled down on it. Bought 1,000 shares. Risked about $180, $200 or so. So I'll let you know how this goes. Alright guys, just a quick update. With SVU, I've been babysitting this thing for a little bit. Probably over an hour, hour and a half or so. And actually, I just decided to get out. I think I ended up making like $10 on it or something like that. So what ended up happening was it crashed under 17. It came back, and now it's just kind of sitting here. So I got filled at 1698 or so. I just got out at 1695 or so. Oh wow! Now it's actually deciding to go lower. Oh well, either way, hopefully you guys use that example of the level 2 reading, when to get in, when to get out. I only ended up my day up $105. It was kind of tough this morning, starting out with a few losers. Ended up making it back with SVU. Small trade on AA and GBT. Alright guys, if you have any questions, make sure to leave it down in the comment section below. Also, make sure to join our Facebook group. It's been growing very, very fast. And I'll talk to you guys next time.